Hi, I'm Molly with West Virginia University Extension Family Nutrition Program, and today we're making a ham and veggie frittata. I've washed my hands and our cooking surface, so I'm ready to get started. For this recipe, we're going to clean out the freezer and use some chopped frozen broccoli, a half a cup of chopped frozen spinach, and a half a cup of a pepper and onion mix. We are going to take this to the microwave and microwave it at 50% power for 3 minutes. We've got our vegetables out of the microwave, so now we're going to add our ham and tomato. So I have a pound of diced lean ham, and then 1 medium tomato that I washed and diced. Mix that up. Set that aside, and now we're going to do the egg part to our frittata. We're going to add 6 eggs to a bowl or a glass measuring cup. To that, we're going to add a cup of our cheese, and this is shredded part skim mozzarella, but you could swap out and use any cheese that you have on hand. Hold back about a half a cup to put on top. And then a teaspoon of garlic powder, and we're just going to incorporate that. In our baking dish, spray with some cooking spray. Pour in our vegetable mixture. Spread that out nice and even. Add our egg and cheese mixture. I'm going to spread this around. Sprinkle with the remaining cheese. And then this is going to bake at 425 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Our frittata has cooked about 20 to 25 minutes, so I'm ready to get it out of the oven. Cut a piece. And here's our ham and veggie frittata with all kinds of great vegetables and our lean ham. I hope to see you again real soon. Thanks for joining me.